Good evening, everyone. Hello. Can you all hear me and see me? सुनाई दे रहा है, दिखाई दे रहा है? Yeah? Okay. Okay. So, cool. So, shall we begin? So, welcome to the first day of self-care osteopathy workshop. So, today we will be learning techniques about the head, neck, and shoulders. So, I hope all of you are wearing comfortable clothes. Keep a bottle of water with you, okay? And get your favorite pillow if you haven't gotten. Like I have my favorite pillow with me. So get your favorite pillow and keep it with you. We will not be lying down and all. हम लोग बैठ के करेंगे. We will sit and do the techniques. But just keep a pillow with you to rest your elbows on. Okay? And please switch on your cameras. I really need to see you when you're doing the techniques. It doesn't help me if your cameras are off. I cannot supervise your techniques. Okay. So Ankita, Sunny, Ruby M, and E203C193, please rename yourself. Okay. The idea of a small batch is that I can look at you when you're doing techniques. Okay. So please keep your camera switched on. Okay. All right. So shall we begin? शुरू करें. Okay, awesome. So I will take questions in between. We will be learning about 8 to 10 techniques today. So in between, I will open it up for questions and we can have questions then. For now, we will like do a few techniques together. We will send out the ebooks to you by tonight. ठीक है, तो जो e-books हैं वो आपको रात तक मिल जाएंगी. It will have most of the techniques that we are covering in the workshop. 1 or 2 techniques which have come in a little later may not be included, but we will cover them in the follow-ups. Okay, so don't worry, you're not missing anything. So so you can revise the techniques we did today on the ebook. Cool. Okay, all right, so let's begin. Cool. So the workshop is all about self-care osteopathy and being self-reliant in health. हम लोग आत्मनिर्भर बनने जा रहे हैं. Okay, so you don't have to keep running and taking unnecessary medication or unnecessary running around too much for small little aches and pains in the body. छोटी मोटी दर्द दुख के लिए आपको बेकार में unnecessarily दवाई लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Also, these are techniques you can do for your family members also. Okay, so these are designed to make you self-reliant for yourself and for your family. Okay, they're not designed to earn money, so please don't make a career out of it. It's not a course. I'm just teaching you a few techniques you can do for taking care of yourself. Okay, all right. So our body is made up of different systems. हमारा जो शरीर है अलग अलग systems का बना हुआ है. Okay, so the system that we will be working with specifically are two. We'll be working with the musculoskeletal system. So musculoskeletal systems are the muscles, ligaments, tendons, all of those. हमारे शरीर में जो मांसपेशियां हैं हम वो एक integral part है हमारे शरीर का. So musculoskeletal system is one aspect that the body is made up of. Then there is the circulatory system. Okay, so what are those that bring in nourishment to different parts of the body and remove toxins and take them away? That is from the circulatory system. So the amount of oxygen that is supplied, the amount of nourishment that is gotten depends on the intensity and strength of your circulation. Now what happens is when there is stiffness in the muscles, जब हमारी मांसपेशियों में जकड़न आ जाती है, then circulation gets affected. So stiffness in the body tends to grow over a period of time. कुछ वक्त से जकड़न बढ़ती है. It's not that you suddenly have a stiff muscle and then next day it is gone. So it increases over a period of time and then it gradually decreases over a period of time. Okay, so we will be working on relaxing and opening up tension in muscles. We will be working on opening up circulation in the body. We will also be working with lymphatics. So lymphatics kya hai? What is lymphatics? So all of you know the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan trucks that come in the morning to collect garbage, the garbage collection trucks that come in the morning. Yeah. So what speed do the trucks move at? किस स्पीड पे चलती हैं वो ट्रक्स? टेल मी. डू दे मूव एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 10, 20, 30, 70, 80? What speed do these trucks move at? Okay, so 20. Okay, thanks, Pallavi. We have another response here. Okay, yeah, 10 to 30 kilometers, right? Correct. So why is it so slow? Because it goes from one house to the next house to collect garbage, है ना? एक घर से दूसरे घर वो जाता है तो garbage collect करने के लिए. Similarly, lymphatic system in the body is the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan of the body. हमारे शरीर में जो भी टॉक्सिन्स प्रोड्यूस होती हैं, the toxins produced are collected by the lymphatic system. Therefore, it is a very slow circulating parallel circulation system in the body. Okay, so this is also responsible for a little bit of swelling in the feet when you have traveled for too long. बहुत लंबा आपने सफर कर लिया है, so then you know your feet don't fit into your shoes. आपके जो पैर हैं वो जूतों में fit नहीं होते. That's because of impaired lymphatics. So lymphatics are dependent on good movement of muscles. When our muscles are moving well in the body, lymphatics is getting improved. Okay, so these techniques, as the muscles relax, will also help in opening up the lymphatics in the body. So we'll be working with the lymphatic circulation also. Okay, now very important aspect that I want you to know about is who decides pain in the body. So आपको चोट लग गई, आपको दर्द हो रहा है. Okay, you got hurt, it's hurting a lot, but where does this pain come from? दर्द आता कहाँ से है? So neuroscience research talks about the fact that pain is a function of the brain. It is not a function of the tissues. Okay, so if you are hurt, have you noticed there are times in a day, there are days when you have actually gotten hurt, there has been a little bit of bleeding and you don't even realize you have a wound. आपको पता भी नहीं चला आपको चोट लगी हुई है. Have you noticed this? That's because there was no pain. So when the brain believes you are in danger, or when the brain believes that your body is going to get affected, it sends a signal of pain. This is a very old primordial system of the brain called the limbic system. Limbic system क्या करता है? Limbic system basically decides whether you are feeling safe or not. So have you noticed when you are going through a stressful situation in life, pain in the body increases, or older pains or injuries tend to show up? आप तनाव से गुजर रहे हैं तो शरीर में दर्द बढ़ता नहीं, तो पुरानी जो आपकी चोटें हैं उभर के आने लगती हैं. So the function of limbic system is, because it wants to protect you, it sends you a signal of pain. Now this area of the brain is present deep to your ear. So आपके जो कान हैं, if you drill in 3 to 4 inches deep straight into the brain, in the center, the structure that comes is the limbic system. So if you look at the picture on the right side, you see these big alien joysticks. ऐसा लग रहा है alien joysticks को पकड़ के you can drive a spaceship. Limbic system looks like this. Okay, this is one of the oldest systems in our body. It is one of the most dominant systems of our body. Okay, a very classic example would be you had a difficult last job. The next time you see your old boss, something will start to hurt. You'll be like, something you will do to avoid it. Okay, so limbic system is the one that basically decides whether you have pain or not. So if you have a regulated nervous system and there is a sense of safety in the brain knows that you are safe, you're feeling all right, it will not give you pain. Okay. So the vagus is a nerve that we will be working with in this course. Okay. So the vagus nerve basically exits from the brain and connects to the gut. Vagus nerve जो है ये हमारे दिमाग को हमारे पेट से जोड़ता है. So in both the pictures, if you look at the yellow nerve that is coming out, it exits behind the ears, runs all the way through the chest to the gut. Okay, so the vagus exits behind the ears, runs through the throat. So your voice, have you noticed when you are stressed, either there is no voice or there's a very loud voice. Have you seen this? जब आप तनाव में आवाज या तो निकलती नहीं तो बहुत जबरदस्त निकलती है. That is impaired vagal function. When you're having a difficult situation in life, you want to talk but you can't talk. It's like आवाज नहीं निकलती. So that's vagus. So basically vagus is responsible for social communication and well-being. Okay, we are beings of the society. So our ability to communicate with people around us, so the eye contact, voice modulation, depth of breathing, deep breathing, good digestion, all of these are handled by the vagus. It is called the highway to health. Okay, so if your vagus is in good function, you will have good digestion and you will also have a good state of mind. Have you noticed this? When your mind is good, your digestion is good. That's the vagus. Okay, so vagus, one of the easiest ways to activate the vagus is by two things: deep breathing. Second is voice modulation. Okay, so when you make a source sound, source voice. So source voice is what? Voice that comes from your navel. जब आप गहरी आवाज निकालते हैं नाभि से. So a deep source voice activates the vagus, and breathing, regulated breathing also activates the vagus. So all the techniques that we will be doing on this workshop today, tomorrow and day after, all the 3 days that we'll be doing the techniques, we will be working on regulating the nervous system and activating the vagus. We'll be doing both. Okay, we'll go really slow. Aram se we will do the techniques and we can stop and revise and do all of that. Cool. Okay, so shall we begin? Shuru kare? Yeah, shall we start? So the first technique that we will do is for the head. Okay, so let's begin by, we will, so head, face, neck, right, and a little bit of the shoulders that we are doing today. So if you are taking notes, don't worry about it. You'll get the ebook. Ebook has all the techniques. In spite of it, if you want to, you can take. Not necessary actually. These are very simple techniques. Just get a hang of it. Okay. So I'm just going to show you a picture. Then I'll stop screen sharing and I will explain the technique. Okay. So the brown bone on the right side of the screen, the brown bone that you see that has a gray triangle on it, this is called the temporal bone. Temporal bone is a bone that comes on the side of the head. If you look at the picture on the left, it is the bone around the ears. हमारे कान के आसपास जो हड्डी होती है उसको हम temporal bone बोलते हैं. Now why is the temporal bone important? Because it is the closest entry point to the limbic system. Okay, now let me remind you of something. Little children in school, when they are not paying attention, so teachers, what did they do? Purane zamane mein, in the olden times, when children didn't pay attention in class, correct, they would pull their ears. Why? Because it is the closest to the temporal bone. So it would make them alert. It would activate their nervous system. Okay, so temporal bones are very, very effective in helping you to become aware. Apart from that, they are also connected to the deep membranes of the brain. So if you have a tendency to get a headache or you have a tendency to get heaviness in the head, then you can work with the temporal bones. Okay? So what we will be, there are a few rules to these techniques, I'll tell you. So it's clear, the bone that you're seeing on the right side, the brown colored bone with the gray triangle on it, we'll be working with that. Okay? We'll be working with the temporal bones. Okay, so let's work with the temporal bones. What are we going to do? So there are a few things how we will be doing these techniques. The first is that we will be using a light touch. Okay, the body na, the whole body is made up of something called connective tissue fascia. हमारे शरीर में just like आपने जो कपड़े पहने हैं, for example I'm wearing this dress, it is made up of cotton. Similarly, the fabric that our body is made up of, जिस फैब्रिक की हमारी शरीर बनी है, it is called connective tissue fascia. Okay, this has been the leading frontier of research in neuroscience for the past many years, 5 to 6 years. And what they found is that it has receptors for a very light touch. Okay, it specifically responds to a very light touch. Now, let me give you an example. Little children playing in the playground fall down. What does the mother come and do? कुछ नहीं हुआ, ठीक हो गया. Light rub on the area and it becomes all right. Have you noticed? We all have experienced it. No? For those of you who are parents, you would have done this for your kids. When somebody is really stressed, when you see your best friend, you see your colleague going through a lot of stress, a light touch on the shoulder is enough to let go. Okay, you can also poke and push and do that, but the body responds very differently to a light touch. So a light touch means safety. Remember this. Okay, we are very good at, dard ho raha hai, dabao, dabao, or dabao, push, push, it's hurting, push harder, or we get little children to climb on top of us and do that. In this workshop, we will be using a light touch. Okay? The whole body is connected. So you will notice that even though we work in one area of the body, the effect will be seen on the whole body. हम एक जगह काम करेंगे पूरे शरीर पे आपको इफेक्ट दिखेगा. Okay, so using a light touch, we will be using the fingertips, मतलब the pulps of your fingers, not the tips, pulps. आपके जो उंगलियों की जो juicy वाली part है ना, the pulps of the fingers. We will be using these. We will be using a light touch. Eyes open. During the techniques, eyes will be open. This is not a meditation. Okay, this is about becoming aware of your body. We are very often not aware of our body. So the idea of these techniques is to bring awareness to the body, and that happens when your eyes are open. We will make a sound activating the vagus, and we'll breathe in from the nose and breathe out of the mouth. So when you do this, breathe out of your mouth, you feel something happening here that is working on the vagus nerve. Okay, towards the end of the day, towards the end of the of today, after we finish the techniques, I will take you through an awareness exercise. Then you can choose to open or close your eyes. That's your option. Okay, but when we are doing techniques, we'll do eyes open. Cool. Okay, so shall we start with the temporal bones? Huh? Okay, तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? What are we going to do? Let's take our favorite pillows. गोदी में अपनी फेवरेट पिलो ले लीजिए गोद में. Okay, all right, make sure you're sitting comfortably. Okay, this whole workshop is about being kind to yourself. Be nice to yourself. We are hardly nice to our body, so we'll be nice to ourselves. Sit comfortably. Now what are we going to do? Use the pulps of your fingers, अपनी उंगलियों की जो pulps हैं. Rest your elbows on the pillow, or you can rest your elbows on the table, whatever. I choose to rest it on the pillow. It is nice. All right. And then place the pulps of your fingers around your ears. आपके कान के आसपास उंगलियां रख देंगे. Like this. There. You see? Very lightly place the pulps of your fingers around the ears. Okay? Okay. Very nice. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दीजिए. Take another deep breath in. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दीजिए. If your feet are on the ground, अगर आपके पैर जमीन पे हैं, become aware of the ground underneath your feet. पैरों तले जमीन महसूस कर लें. Become aware of the surface you're sitting on. आप जिस तल पे बैठे हैं उसको महसूस कर लें. Just become aware of your buttocks on your chair or your buttocks on the cushion. Very nice. Eyes open. We have eyes open. Everything in the body moves. Okay, everything in the body moves. Wherever there is life, there is movement. Okay, so let's take another deep breath in. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दें. Very nice. And we'll make the sign. We'll make a sound of ah. Source voice, deep voice. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. That's it. So whenever you're doing these techniques, notice how are you feeling in your mind? How are the thoughts in your mind? Also, how are you feeling in your body? Okay, so if you have neck pain, it's not necessary that you have to work on the neck to release it. A lot of times just working around the ears also opens it up. If you're going to do this for someone else, okay, so like if you're going to treat the senior citizens in your house or your family members, the sound has to be made by whom? You or your family member? The family member. Okay, you don't put your hands on their head and go, ah, you're not doing that. Okay, you ask them to take a deep breath, breathe out, and then make the sound. You are helping their nervous system to regulate. Okay, one of my very cute friends, he had come for the workshop. He was doing this for his father and he's making the sound. And he said he's feeling good, but I'm not sure, not as good as me. So just clarifying, okay, it is your family members who has to make the sound. Okay, shall we move on? We'll go on to the next technique. One second, I'll just make my cursor big. I think it'll be easy for you to see the pictures. Yeah, okay. Awesome. Cool. So let's move on to the next technique. We will now be working with the eyes. Okay. Now, what are we doing with the eyes? Why are eyes so important? One, because, well, we look from the eyes. And second is, we see from the eyes, but the part of the brain where the image is made is at the back of the head. It is called the visual cortex. Okay, आंखें आगे हैं पर जहां पे तस्वीर बनती है वो सिर के पीछे है. So the visual cortex lies at the back of the head. By the time the image travels from the eyes to the back of the brain, we are doing something very smart. We are seeing only what we perceive. Okay, it is like learning how to drive a car. Initially, you're very worried because you're seeing everything around you. And then after some time, what happens? You start negating things out. So then when you're driving, the trees and the dogs on the road don't matter to you anymore. Okay, so vision and perception are very closely connected. So when we live our lives in a particular way, we also see things that way. You would notice that two people would look at the same scenery in a very different way. Okay, so in osteopathy, there's a very interesting concept that when you work with the eyes and the brain together, when you work with the eyes, the visual cortex and the eyes together, not only are you helping the eyes to open up and see better, you're also helping the brain to perceive things in a different way. Okay, it's like the circles and squares we have in our life. Okay, it's basically like that. Have you played the circles and squares game? Okay, Venugopal ji, you have played the circles and squares. How about the others? Have you played the circles and squares game in your life? No? Okay, so shall we play it now? Shall you try it? Okay, Mona, you have. Nice. Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 seconds. No, 10 seconds. Let me give you 10 seconds. Don't move. आप जहाँ बैठे हैं, where you are sitting, just from there, count the number of circles you see around. Start. So look around you and count the number of circles you see. Only circles. Count the number of circles you see around you. Remember, your face is also a circle. So if your cameras are on, you can also count your face. Okay? So count the number of circles around you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. How many circles did you count? 2, 7. Okay, how about the others? 9, 8. Wow, very nice. 9, 10. Okay, fantastic. So you counted a few circles, right? Now tell me, when you were looking at the circles, did you notice there were squares in the room? Did you notice there were squares in the room? But did we pay attention to them? No, because we were busy looking at the circles. Oh, somebody counted 12 circles. So what I'll give you now, I'll give you 10 more seconds. Now count the number of squares in your room. If you're wearing spectacles, squared, doors, windows, everything. So start, 10 seconds. Go. Count the number of squares around you. Your mobile screen, laptop screen is also a square, by the way. Squares and rectangles. Keep going, keep going. We have 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Fantastic. So, how many squares did you count? Okay, I have some answers coming. How many squares? 51, 40, 20. Oh my God, 16. Oh, 160. Did you run all over the house? Okay, awesome. So you see this. So it's basically about perception. Okay, so that's what osteopathy talks about. When we perceive something, we also look at it in the same way. So when you're working with the brain and the eyes together, it also actually changes your perception towards things. Okay, so shall we work with the eyes? We'll do another. We did one in the intro talk, but we'll do a new technique for the eyes. Okay, so let's work with the eyes. So there's a very interesting thing. Okay, the back of our neck, हमारे गले के पीछे का जो area है ना, there are these small muscles. They are called the rectus group of muscles. Rectus means what? Straight. Erect means straight. So the small little muscles, rectus group of muscles, are responsible for keeping the neck straight. Okay, and they are connected to the eyes. The covering of the optic nerve kind of communicates, the dural sheath of the brain connects with the rectus group of muscles. So when you work with your eyes, you also open your neck. Okay, so let's do this. We will try this. So look up and down, side to side. Okay, now open and close your eyes, look around you, look at the colors, see how your eyes are doing. Okay? We'll do the new technique first, then I will also run you through the ones I do in my intro talks. Okay, all right. Now, what are we going to do? Favorite pillow again. Okay, favorite pillow in your godi. Hello. I have a pink pillow. I like my pink pillow. Okay, favorite pillow. Very nice. So, what are we going to do? We're going to use 2 fingers, index and the thumb. So angutha or tarjini, we will use these 2 fingers. The other hand goes at the back of the neck. So back of the neck, where you wear your necklace, where the necklace or the chain in your neck comes, at the back of the neck, there. Okay. So right hand, preferably the right, or you use the hand that works for you. So one hand goes behind where the necklace sits, and you place your fingers vertically. हाँ, लंबाई में रखी उंगलियां पीछे. Okay, and you can rest your elbow on the pillow, or you can keep it like this, whatever works. Left hand, index and thumb. Cover your eyes. Close your eyes and lightly touch them. So remember, we are not poking it in. हम दबा नहीं रहे हैं. It's a very light touch. It's like touching the eyelashes of a little baby. Okay. So thumb and index. Other fingers behind. Very nice. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दें. Take another deep breath in. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दीजिए. Become aware of the floor underneath your feet. And think of something that makes you smile. Another deep breath in. Breathe out of your mouth. We'll make the sound of ah. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. Open your eyes. Check your neck. Nice. Do you notice you all are smiling wider? ऐसे ना सबके से चेहरे ऐसे हुए हैं. Like you all have a nice smile on your face. So when you regulate your nervous system, no, generally the body starts becoming happy. I will keep asking you in between to take your attention to a place in your body where you feel good, because health is the nature of the body. We are born healthy. Disease is a phase that the body goes through. So we are very good at finding places in our body where there is pain and stiffness. Wo Rai ka Pahad, small area, but it becomes very big. And we tend to ignore the areas that have health in it. Okay, so I will keep orienting you to health in the body. We'll do one more technique. This is what we do in the intro talks. But anyways, it's a lovely technique. You can do this also. So in this, one hand goes at the back of the head. एक हाथ आपके सिर के पीछे जाएगा. The other palm cups the eyes. You are cupping the eyes. You are not pressing the eyes. It is cupping the eyes. You should be able to blink behind the palm. So one hand, if you have shoulder pain, just do this. कंधे में दर्द है तो बस इतना कीजिए. Okay. Okay. So one palm behind the head, the other palm cupping the eyes. Very nice. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out of your mouth. Very nice. Now blink your eyes. Aankhein jhapkaएं. Blink your eyes really fast. Very, very fast. Now blink at a medium pace. And now blink very slowly. Now again blink really, really fast. Blink at a medium pace. And blink very slowly. Very nice. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दें. We'll make the ah sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. This also you can do. Okay, cool. Shall we move on to the next technique? Yeah. Chalo. Okay, so we're going to work with something called the sinuses. Lot of us are now sitting in ACs, है ना? And a lot of sitting inside and working. Yeah, so we can make different kinds of sounds, Pallavi. Okay, we will be having variety. The idea is it has to be source voice. Okay, so we'll do humming, we will do ah, oo, e, everything. We'll just bring a little variety in. So you can use whichever sound you like. Okay, humming is also fine. If you like the humming, you can do the humming. Okay, so sinuses are empty. Did you know there were spaces in the bones of your head? हमारे खोपड़ी में ना, the bones of our head, उसमें खाली जगह होती है. These are called sinus. Sinus means empty space. Basically, it means that. It means an empty space. Okay. Now tell me, why would we have empty spaces in our head? चलो बताओ. Why do you think we have empty spaces in our head? हमारे सिर के हड्डियों में खाली जगह क्यों होगी? Think. Like, you can take a guess. Nobody wants to guess. Why would we have empty spaces in our heads? Okay, we have one answer. For the air to pass through or for vibration. Okay, what else? True, in a way. You're right. What else? Flexibility between muscles. Lack of mind in few people. No. It has nothing to do with the mind. Flexibility between the muscles, not really. Muscles are attached on top of the bones. Protection of the brain, yes, in a way. Basically, have you noticed in the ocean what floats? Big logs of wood, they float because they are hollow inside. अंदर वो खोखले होते हैं. So what happens is when you have space inside the bones of the head, it makes the head very light. It is an emergency. No. It's a very normal physiological phenomenon. Okay, so we have space between the bones, inside the bones. हमारे सिर की हड्डियों के अंदर, inside the bones there's empty space because it makes the head light. Okay, we carry the head on our shoulders and neck. Otherwise, have you noticed when you have a cold, सिर भारी हो जाता है? This is a term we use. When you're running a cold, your head is very heavy. Means what? Your sinuses are clogged with mucus. Okay, so one is it makes the bones light. Second is it adds resonance to your voice. Okay, so you the melody in your voice. You've gone to a cave and you go the echo comes back. That's because of emptiness in the cave. Have you heard someone who's running a chronic cold? They sound like a phata hua dhol. It's like not melodious at all. It's like very flat, monotone voice, right? So the empty spaces in the bones basically help with lightening up the skull and add resonance to your voice. So we have a few empty spaces. The blue one is in the forehead. It is right. Have you noticed when you have a cold, you're like, Amrutanjan ad, have you seen? They apply it here. The sinuses in the forehead are here. Okay? So the blue is in the forehead. The red is between the at the bridge of the nose. Then you have in the cheeks. Okay, these are called maxillary sinuses, big triangular spaces. Okay, like this we have a few sinuses. So we will be working with these because people are getting a lot of allergies nowadays, and it is also very good to make friends. I will tell you how, but just telling you a little bit about the sinuses. We'll learn how to work with the sinuses. Okay, so we will work with the largest sinus. Largest sinus is here. Okay, in your cheeks you have these empty spaces called maxillary sinuses. Why people complain about sinus problems? They when it gets clogged with mucus, no, when it gets infected, it becomes very painful and irritating. Okay, so so sinuses have the ability to clean themselves. It doesn't allow the mucus to sit. But जब वो clog हो जाता है ना, तब दिक्कत होती है. Then it becomes a problem. So we will learn how to work. So I'll teach you two techniques. There is a story behind this technique. We'll first do the technique, then I'll tell you the story. Okay. So favorite pillow in your godi. All right. Now what are we going to do? We're basically going to touch the sinus. We are working with connective tissue fascia in the body. Okay, so we will be touching the cheeks. The maxillary sinuses are in the cheeks. It's easy for me to tell you because I wear 2 nose pins. So on the side of my nose pins. So fingers on the cheeks, next to your nose, आपकी नाक के बगल में. 3 fingers on your cheeks. Rest your elbows in your pillow. आराम से बैठ के. All right. So fingers on your cheek. Wait. Before we do this, let's do a before and. So smile. Make different expressions on your faces. Make different expressions. See how your face is feeling. Okay, now let's work with the sinuses. Pulse of fingers on the cheeks, next to the nose. That's light pressure. Huh? Be very kind. Okay, take a deep breath in. Breathe out of your mouth. Take another deep breath in. And breathe out of your mouth. Now become aware of a place in your body where you feel good. आपको आपके शरीर में जहां अच्छा लग रहा है वहां ध्यान ले जाइए. और think of something that makes you smile. जिससे आपके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट आ जाए, उसको याद कर लीजिए. Health in the body equals happiness in the mind. Okay, another deep breath in. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस. Breathe out of your mouth. Okay. Now, because Pallavi said, we'll make a humming sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. Now smile. Make different expressions on your face. I'll teach you one more technique, okay, that you can do. It's a very nice, it's called facial stroking. This was taught to me by one of my earliest teachers. A very beautiful technique and it's very powerful. A lot of us do Zoom calls, no? So there's a pressure to look good. अच्छा दिखना है screen पे, कैसे दिखेंगे? So what we will do basically is we'll use the tips of our fingers and we will stroke our face. हम चेहरे को stroke करेंगे towards the ears. Okay, we will stroke our face towards the ears. Avoid the eyes, avoid the lips. Okay, let's do this 10 times. Chalo, let's do this together. Towards the ears, avoid the lips, avoid the eyes because they're very, very sensitive areas. Very nicely, huh? Gently, with a lot of love. Your face it is. Hamara khoobsurat chehra. Our beautiful faces. Okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. That's it. Very nice. Now smile. Smile will become longer. Make more expressions. So there's a very beautiful thing that happens with it. Your cheeks become very prominent. It's called apple cheeks. So you know what it does, this technique? There are a lot of nerve endings on the face. हमारे चेहरे पे ना बहुत nerve endings होती हैं. So when you work with the face, you're calming your whole nervous system down. Can you get angry with this state of mind? अभी जो किया ना. Now try getting angry from this after this technique. It's very difficult. So see, we're in the same house with the same people. They keep pushing the same buttons. So before you're going to have a fight, just tell, excuse me, 1 minute, just start stroking your face. Or stroke their face and a fight will never happen. So my parents, they stay in Belgaum. They're seniors. And they have a maid. They have a lady. She's been coming for 20 years. She is the daughter of the house. I'm not the daughter of the house. I'm Ghuspetiya. I'm outsider terrorist. I am. So when I go for 3-4 days, she tolerates me. But this time in the lockdown, I was with my parents for 8 months. Abhi kya phas gaye na? So 8 months I was with my parents. So it was pushing all her buttons. Every day she would ask, when are you leaving? When are you leaving? So I started doing this for her. First day she was like, no, I don't want. Second day I did, she was okay. Third day she comes and asks me, you will not do this for me today? So it's a great way of making friends. If there is someone who's irritating, just do this for them. You will become very good friends. Very nice way. Another friend of mine, she got married, love marriage. They waited 7-8 years to get married. The night before the day of the marriage, she realized she didn't want to get married. उसको लगा वो गलती कर रही है. Okay, after waiting 8 years. So for 8 hours, she only cried. Next day in the morning, she was looking like one big jackfruit, kathal jaisa na, bilkul swollen face, and she had to go onto the mandap. So we did this for her for 15-20 minutes, and it all settled out. It's very good for lymphatic drainage of the face. Okay, so if you're going to go on to your Zoom calls, do this. It will make you look very nice. Okay, so that's for the face. Shall we move on? We'll go to the neck now. We'll do neck and shoulders. Everybody doing okay, no? Doing fine? Okay, so let's move ahead. Did she get married? Oh, yes. She got married, happily married. They have a kid and all. It's just that she saw the whole family come, na. Tab tak ladai was only with the parents. The parents, but then the whole pind came, the whole community. Then she got like, yeah, she's married. She's very happy. But it was an amazing experience. Like we saw her before and after. It was hilarious. All right. Good question. Nobody's asked me this before. All right. So let's move ahead. We will now work with the jaws. So this is also a technique we do on the intro talks, but we'll do it in a little different way. All right. So we tend to hold a lot of stress in our jaws. Okay. A lot of things said, unsaid, told, untold. It all sits right here. Right. So we will learn to work with the jaws. Now, if you look at the picture on the left, ये जो आप देखेंगे, this is the joint of your jaw. Okay. This is basically the bone around your ear. Remember temporal bone touching the side of the head. This is that same bone. Okay, so the jaw joint na, आपके जबड़े का जो joint है, this is the only movable joint in your face. No other joint moves. बस यही एक हिलता है. But that's how we can talk. So this joint that you see, it is between two bones, and it has a nice water-filled pad in between to reduce friction. ताकि वहां पे friction ना हो. It's called the temporomandibular joint. Fancy name it has. TMJ we call it. So we will work with this. Where does it come? 1 inch in front of the ears. ठीक है, कानों से 1 इंच आगे ये जॉइंट आता है. एंड दिस एरिया कैन बिकम वेरी टाइट. समटाइम्स बिकॉज ऑफ स्ट्रेस पीपल स्टार्ट ग्राइंडिंग देयर टीथ. तनाव से ना लोग अपने दांत घसना शुरू कर देते हैं. ऑल ऑफ दिस मेक्स द जॉज वेरी टाइट. Okay, so we will do a little bit of work with the jaws, and again we will see how is your state of mind at the end of it. Okay, chalo, let's work with the jaws. Oh, we have a lot of syllabus to cover. Okay, so let's check the jaws. Open and close your jaws, side to side. Don't strain. Do as much as is comfortable. Baseline. Okay, jitna aapko comfortable lage utna. So open and close, side to side. Okay, all movements. Just be aware of it. Now what we'll do, we'll find the joint of the jaw. पहले joint को ढूंढ लेते हैं कहाँ है. So take index finger, index. This will be our most powerful fingers on this workshop. Okay, so we will keep it 1 inch in front of the ears. कान से 1 इंच आगे. You know where the hair comes down? There. ठीक है? There is this triangular thing of your ear 1 inch in front of it. Both the sides. Now open and close your jaw. मुंह खोलें, बंद करें. So you see, something is moving under your fingers. कुछ हिल रहा है. That's the joint of your jaw. Sometimes even touching there can be a little painful, so do it comfortably. Now what we are going to do is, how many of you have kept your fingers in running water? बहते पानी में कितने लोगों ने हाथ रखा है? Have you noticed automatically the fingers open? खुद से ऐसे उंगलियां ऐसे खुल जाती हैं. There is this beautiful space that gets created. That is what we are going to do. Okay, connective tissue fascia can be worked on with a very light touch and a slow opening movement. Okay, so we're going to do that. So we'll take 2 fingers, middle finger, index finger, Tarjani Madhyamika, 2 fingers. You can also keep 3 fingers if you want. You can also keep 3 fingers, no problem. Okay, in front of the ears, kaan ke aage, either side, kaan ke aage. All right, rest your elbows. Take your favorite pillow. You can rest your elbows. Don't strain. Okay, we'll have fun on this workshop. It's very easy. Okay, 3 fingers. Very nice. Now we will breathe in. When you breathe out, we will slowly create a space between the fingers. Little bit, not too much, little bit of space. सांस लेंगे, सांस छोड़ते हुए उंगलियों के बीच में थोड़ी सी जगह बनाएंगे. Okay, so take a deep breath in. Breathe out of your mouth. And make a little space between your fingers. Very nice. Once again, we will do. Breathe in, सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. And create a little space between your fingers. Lot of expressions come from here. This is literally our communication portal between us and the world. We express ourselves from this. It's a very powerful joint. Okay? So respecting it. We will do it with a lot of respect. We'll do it once again. Breathe in, सांस लीजिए. And as you breathe out, create a little space between your fingers. Very nice. We make the humming sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. Also keep noticing how is your mind. Okay. Also, when circulation opens, there may be a sense of warmth that comes through. There may be a sensation of ease. Open and close your mouth. See how you're feeling. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Yeah. Okay. Feeling all right, everybody? Fantastic. Okay. All right. Chalo, let's move on. Now you can shout louder at each other. With this state of mind. Maybe you can sing louder. Yeah, maybe you could. But if you go for a dental appointment, you know, and then there is this stiffness that comes in, do this. It's a very powerful technique. There is a whole branch of osteopathy called dental osteopathy. Dental osteopathy is doing this, working with the joints, bones of the mouth, opening up the major muscles, helping rehabilitation so that you don't have to take muscle relaxants and painkillers apart from the surgical thing. They're very powerful techniques. Okay, chalo, let's move ahead. We will now be working with some big muscles. Okay, we'll work with some big muscles of the neck. Okay? This is also responsible for posture and shoulders and neck and all of that. So you've seen players doing this, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. So there are a group of muscles they are working with when they're doing this movement. The first muscle we will be working with is called sternocleidomastoid, SCM, isko bolte hain hum log. We will work with this. It is such a super muscle. It connects the head to the chest. हमारे सिर को ये छाती से जोड़ता है. So on the left side you see this big chunky muscle. This is called SCM. ठीक है? It's a diagonal muscle. It connects the head again around that bone around the ear ना, that bone to the collarbone. आपका जो collarbone है इनको वो जोड़ता है. On the right side is a dissected picture. This you see, this one is your sternocleidomastoid. Okay, it is responsible for turning your neck from side to side. एक तरफ से दूसरी तरफ जो आप सिर घुमाते हैं, ये इस मसल की वजह से आप घुमाते हैं. It's a core muscle and it's a very strong muscle. ठीक है, it's a super powerful muscle. We will be working with this. Now first, I want you to basically see where it is actually present. Okay? So now when I'm talking to you and I turn my neck to one side, you see this muscle? Yeah. This is sternocleidomastoid. Okay? So if I turn my neck to one side, आप इसको actually पकड़ सकते हो. ये बहुत strong, solid muscle होता है. So when people going to stress, no, have you noticed people are like, yeah, you've seen people doing this, gala tight ho gaya hai. They're basically working with this sternocleidomastoid muscle, the diagonal muscle. Okay? So we will be working with this. Now there is only one thing you have to be careful. Do as much as is comfortable. That's it. There are no other rules to this techniques. You will do as much as is comfortable. ठीक है? तो वो होता है ना हमारा भी से comfortable and people are like more than 100%. ऐसा नहीं करना है. जितना आपसे होता है उतना ही करना है. ठीक है? It should be easy. You should be able to smile. You should be able to breathe. You should be able to sing. Then you're doing it right. Okay? So what are we going to do? 2 fingers. 2 fingers, 2 fingers. ठीक है? Now turn your neck from side to side. This will be the movement we will be working with. ठीक है? तो ये मसल कहाँ शुरू होता है? चश्मा पहना है आपने? You worn a spectacle. You seen where the stick sits behind the ear? डंडी जहाँ पीछे बैठती है, कान के पीछे एक हड्डी होती है इधर. Behind the ear there is a bone. So ये मसल वहाँ शुरू होती है. So 2 fingers on that bone. Did you find it? Is it clear? Where the dundee of the spectacle comes. ठीक है? Goggles, sunglasses जो पीछे आता है ना, behind the ear there is a bone here. So 2 fingers there. We are doing right side. We begin with right side. 2 fingers behind the ear. 2 fingers on the collarbone. Same side. उसी तरफ आपका जो collarbone है उधर. Okay. So the collarbone is where the collar of your shirt comes. No. So same side. It is a diagonal muscle. So let me see. Just keep your fingers. Let me see if you're doing this right. We are doing right side. Okay. Very nice. Perfect. Yes, yes. You're all doing the same side. Okay. Very nice. All right. So 2 fingers behind the ear, 2 fingers on the collarbone. Now it turns the head to the opposite side. So अगर हम right पे काम कर रहे हैं, it helps the head to turn to the left. So slowly turn your head to the left. As much as you can, very slowly, little bit, बस थोड़ा सा. So imagine you're walking in the jungle and you see a beautiful bird. You hear a beautiful bird. So you turn your head to the left. And then you realize the bird is sitting in a tree. तो थोड़ा ऊपर देखेंगे. We look a little up. So turn your head to the opposite side and look a little up. Very nice. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. Remember, you should be able to smile, breathe, and sing. Take another deep breath in. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दें. Now what do we do when we see a bird? We sing to a bird. So we will now sing to this bird. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And slowly relax. Slowly. धीरे से. Very good. Let's do the opposite side. 2 fingers, 2 fingers. कान के पीछे, behind the ear, and on the collarbone, left side, both on the left. Both on the left. Very nice. Now we are back to the walk in the jungle. Now you hear a bird on the right, so you turn your head to the right. Little bit, thoda sa zyada nahi. Little bit. And the bird is sitting in a tree, so you look up a little bit. Okay, little bit. That's it. We have engaged the muscle now. Very nice. Take a deep breath in from your nose. And breathe out of your mouth. Take another deep breath in from your nose. And breathe out of your mouth. मुंह से छोड़ दें. Now let's make the ah sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And slowly relax, slowly. Look up, look down. Settle, settle, settle. Good. Now move from your left to right and see how are you feeling. Okay, everybody doing fine? See, the thing is, आपने बहुत सिर घुमा दिया ना अगर, if you turn your, you will feel dizzy. थोड़ा सा आपको चक्कर आएगा. Because vagus comes out of here. जो मैंने आपको vagus nerve बताया था ना, vagus comes out of here. So if there is too much stress on it, have you noticed when you are reversing the car, suddenly सिर घुमाया तो चक्कर आने लगता है. Suddenly you feel dizzy if you turn your head. So it's only a little bit. We are only engaging the muscle. So opposite side up. That's it. That's all you have to do. Okay. Good. Now shall we do something for the back of the neck? गले के पीछे के लिए करेंगे अभी. हाँ, shoulders also we'll do. We'll do back of the neck, then we'll come to the shoulders. We have 4 techniques for shoulders. We have a lot of syllabus to cover. Okay, so we'll do that. Cool. So we did side to side. Now we'll come to the back of the neck. Okay. Okay, so we're going to work with this group of muscles. ठीक है? Behind, at the back of the head, हम लोग यहाँ पे काम करेंगे. So have you noticed behind the neck there is a gadha? There is like this trough. Touch behind your neck. Ideally, you should feel it. If you don't, muscles are tight. It'll come back. Okay, so behind the neck ना गले के पीछे ऐसा एक depression होता है लंबाई में. Vertically, there's a depression. So we will be working on either side of it. Okay, so ये जो the depression is in the center of the neck. We will be placing fingers on either side like this. Both the hands, we will be placing the fingers on either side of the midline. Okay, so this will help with the back of the neck. Cool. So we're going to work with this now. All right. Right. So what are we going to do? We're going to place our fingers like this, lengthwise, lambai mein, behind the neck, gale ke piche. So you know your hair, where your hair ends, jahan pe aapke baal khatam hote hai na, below that, little bit around that and below that, uske आसपास और उसके नीचे ऐसे we will place fingers here. Okay, now before we do this, just check your up and down movement once, please. People who have back pain, be aware of your back. This will change your back. It will change your shoulders also. Okay, so be aware of it. All right, so just be aware of it. Okay, fingers lengthwise, lambai mein ungliyan, sir ke piche, either side of the midline. How much pressure? Like touching the eyelashes of a little kid. All right, now what are we going to do? Same thing that we did with the jaws. When you breathe in, as you breathe out, सांस छोड़ते हुए, we'll create a little space between the fingers. सांस छोड़ते हुए थोड़ी सी जगह बनाएंगे, वहीं रखेंगे, फिर सांस लेंगे, again we'll breathe in, and as we breathe out, we'll create a little more space. Okay, so we'll do this. Chalo, let's do this. Fingers lengthwise behind the neck. Sit आराम से, comfortably. It's your body. Chill. आराम से बैठिए. Light touch. All right. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. सांस छोड़ते हुए उंगलियों के बीच में जगह बनाइए. While breathing out, make a little space between your fingers. Once again, take a deep breath in. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. And as you breathe out, create a little space between the fingers. उंगलियों के बीच में जगह बनाइए. Very nice. Now we'll make the humming sound. की आवाज करेंगे. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. Check up and down. How are you feeling? Okay. All right. Doing fine? Yeah. We did side to side. We did up and down. Good. Everybody doing okay? You want to have a sip of water? आपको पानी वानी पीना है, पी लीजिए. We still have 3 more techniques to do. So you're okay with it, right? We have another 3-4 more techniques. Chalega na? You're up for it. Head, neck and shoulders is very important. That's why I've given a lot of techniques for this. All right. Okay. E203C193 आप हैं कौन भाई साहब? वीडियो तो शुरू कीजिए. There's no name. It says no video. It's like looking at a blackboard. Okay, all right. So let's move ahead. Cool. So let's move on to the next technique. We will now work with the collarbone. Okay? We will now work with the collarbone. It's a very important part of the body because it is a part of your shoulder joint. ये जो हड्डी है ना, ये आपके shoulder joint का भाग है. Okay? And it has a very aesthetic value. Okay? It's a beauty bone. It is one of the bones. While creating space between the fingers, for migraines, you can do any of these techniques. Side of the head, back of. Migraine is what? There is a change in circulation going to the head. So migraine starts with stiffness in the neck. Okay, so you can do any of these. All of these techniques, you can choose 5. I will tell you how to do these techniques. Wait, on the last day, I'll tell you, don't do more than 4 to 5 techniques a day. Okay, all of these will help with migraines. Okay, yes, you can do it for migraines, absolutely. Okay, so we'll be working with the collarbone. Collarbone is a part of your shoulder joint, and often working with the collarbone can actually help open up the shoulder joint. So we're going to do a few techniques, okay, for the shoulder joint now. We have reached the shoulders. If your head is heavy, please sip water. Drink water, drink water. Okay, and feel your feet on the floor, ground. पैरों तले जमीन को महसूस कीजिए. Okay, keep your feet on the ground, wiggle your toes. पैरों की उंगलियों को थोड़ा थोड़ा हिलाइए. It will settle. Okay, so we'll work with the collarbone. It basically begins in the neck. आपका collarbone आपके गले के सामने गड्ढा होता है. उसके बगल में it starts. Okay, it starts on one side and it ends at the shoulder. ठीक है, एक तरफ शुरू होके वो आपके कंधे तक जाता है. We have 2 collarbones. हमारे बॉडी में 2 collarbones होती हैं. Okay, ma'am, the television behind you is not disturbing you, right? There's a television running behind you. Ruby, there's a television running behind you. If the volume, if it is disturbing you, that could also give you a headache. So just clarifying. No? Okay. All right. Cool. Just checking. Just keep sipping water. You'll be okay. Yeah. All right. So we'll work with the collarbone. Okay. Now, osteopathically, when the baby, I mean, it's embryology also, when the baby is developing, the structures go from small to big. हमारे शरीर की जो structures हैं छोटी से बड़ी होती हैं, है ना? So the structures begin from small to big. Also, there is connective tissue fascia around the bones, so you can actually stretch it. So we will do a very interesting technique for the clavicle. We'll do 3-4 techniques for the shoulders. Now, what are we going to do? Two fingers, two fingers. This will be our weapon for this workshop. Okay. We will begin with the right side. Now check your shoulders. एक बार अपने shoulders check कर लीजिए. Do some dance. Forwards, backwards. Pump it. See how you feel. Okay. Just see how you're feeling in your shoulders. Okay. Now let's begin. Two fingers, two fingers. We'll begin with the right side. So clavicle की शुरुआत में, beginning of the clavicle, 2 fingers at the beginning of the clavicle, 2 fingers on the shoulder. ठीक है? You can follow the bone if you want. आप ऐसे ना bone को follow कर सकते हो. It will come till the shoulder joint. ठीक है? So 2 fingers at the beginning of the clavicle, 2 fingers on the shoulder. You can rest your elbow. कोनी को rest कीजिए. Now, what we will do is, with the innocence of a child, I want you to do this with an innocence of a child. We breathe in, हम सांस लेंगे, and as we breathe out, सांस छोड़ते हुए, we will lengthen the bone. Let's just try it. ठीक है? तो उंगलियां इधर और इधर, और सांस छोड़ते हुए, just imagine that you're lengthening it. While breathing out, बस आप सोचिए कि आप उसको लंबा कर रहे हैं. Let's try it. Okay? All right. So 2 fingers at the beginning, 2 fingers on the shoulder. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए and breathe out, and just pull your fingers away from each other. Imagine you're lengthening the bone. Once again, breathe in, सांस लीजिए, and as you breathe out, सांस छोड़ते हुए, lengthen the bone. Imagine you're lengthening the bone. Very nice. We'll do this one more time. Breathe in, सांस लीजिए, and as you breathe out, imagine you're lengthening the bone. सोचिए आप हड्डी को लंबी कर रहे हैं. Okay, now let's do the other side. दूसरी तरफ. We'll make the sound later. So we'll do the left side, beginning of the bone, हड्डी की शुरुआत में, and on the shoulder, कंधे पे. Okay, take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, lengthen the bone. सोचिए कि आप हड्डी को लंबी कर रहे हैं. Light touch, huh? We're not putting pressure. Now again, breathe in, सांस लीजिए. As you breathe out, imagine you're lengthening the bone. One last time, breathe in. And as you breathe out, lengthen the bone. Very nice. Place your palms on your shoulders. हथेलियों को कंधों पे रखें. If you want, you can rest your elbows on the table. You can keep your hands here also. जहां तक पहुंचते हैं वहीं तक. You don't have to be like this. Wherever it reaches, till there. Strong joints we have. Shoulders. Lot of work they do. Lot of respect to these joints. Take a deep breath in. And breathe out of your mouth. We'll make the humming sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. Check how are you feeling in your shoulders. कैसा लग रहा है आपको? Smiles, smiles. I'm seeing a few smiles. You're feeling okay? Yes? Good. Acha, when you're going to do this for someone, don't say तुम्हारी हड्डी लंबी करूंगा. I'm going to make your bone long. No, 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 no. You don't say this. You just simply do it for them, okay? It's just a perception. Your hands are longer now. Bit of trouble at the right shoulder. We'll come to it. We'll now work with the rotator cuff. We'll come to the right shoulder. Okay, we'll do the shoulders. Good. Shall we move ahead? Yes, one more technique we'll do for the shoulders. Chalo, we'll do one more for the shoulders. Okay. So I know there are a lot of names. ठीक है, बहुत नाम है. Tension मत लीजिए. Just know that your shoulder is covered by a cuff of muscles. ठीक है, पुराने ज़माने puff sleeves पहनते थे ना. In the olden times, used to wear these puff sleeves. It's something that covers the shoulders. It's like a protective layer around the shoulders. These are a group of muscles. Okay, they are called a rotator cuff. Rotator cuff क्या करते हैं? There is a group of muscles in the front, above, below, and behind. And they work complementary to each other. For example, if I have to bring my shoulder forwards, अगर मुझे अपना कंधा आगे लाना है, it will be work with the group of muscles in the front and below behind. So back will be, so like that. So these two groups, three groups kind of work together. So rotator cuff, it can sometimes become very tight. Also, if your hands are like this all day, na, साथ में आपका हाथ अगर ऐसा रहता है, then also your rotator cuffs can go into a little bit of trouble. Okay. Yeah. So the bone is the scapula. The muscle attached to the scapula is the scapularis. So there are many muscles. Scapula is the wing bone. It is actually the wing bone. We'll see if we'll do a technique today or tomorrow for it. But it's a part of your shoulder joint. So आपका shoulder joint सामने clavicle है. Then you have the shoulder. Then you have the wing bone behind called the scapula. We will see if we can. Maybe we'll do a technique for it tomorrow. Okay. So now we will work with rotator cuffs. Let's do a technique for the rotator cuffs. Okay. ठीक है. Okay, you're going to have fun doing this. Okay, now we will first work with the muscles in the front and back. आगे और पीछे के muscles के साथ हम काम करेंगे. Cool. So everybody has to give their 100% for this. Okay, we'll do this together. Okay, so sit comfortably. Take your shoulders back. कंधे पीछे. So shoulders back, chin in the front, thodi aage. Okay, you would be looking amazing on your screens right now. And now we externally rotate the arms like this and say, I don't know. I don't know what is going on. Take your arms outwards, keep them like this. Kya ho raha hai? Take a deep breath in, lambi gehri saans. Breathe out of your mouth. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. And we'll make the ah sound. Breathe in. Ah. Once again, breathe in. Ah. And relax. ये क्या हो रहा है? What is going on? Okay, now let's work with the opposite group of muscles. ठीक है? Opposite group of muscles के साथ करेंगे. So what do we do for that? Now shoulders come forwards. कंधे आगे. Shoulders forwards, chin inwards. Not above, inwards. Shoulders forwards, chin inwards. Now we internally rotate the arms and say, he did it. उसने किया, मैंने नहीं किया. That person did it. I didn't do it. She asked me to attend this workshop. उसने बोला इस workshop के लिए आओ. Hold it. Take a deep breath in. लंबी गहरी सांस लीजिए. Breathe out of your mouth. Take another deep breath in and breathe out of your mouth. Let's make the R sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. And relax. Slowly let go. Okay, everybody feeling all right? If stuff is feeling a little tender, muscles are working. Okay, as funny as it sounds, this is one of the most powerful techniques you can do if you think you're going to start a migraine. अगर आपको लगता है माइग्रेन शुरू होने वाला है, do this. मुझे नहीं पता, उसने किया, I don't know, he did it. Do the neck, this, temporals, you should be okay. Okay, all right. So you're doing fine. You're doing okay. We have 2 more techniques. We will do that tomorrow. For now, let's do an awareness exercise. You've done about 8 techniques today. We'll carry it over to tomorrow. Okay, so sit comfortably. Let's do an awareness exercise. You've done a lot of hard work. Osteopathy sessions physically are 1 hour. You have done techniques for 1.5 hours. Okay, so even though the techniques look simple, they are very strong. So take care of yourselves. Okay, so let's do one body awareness exercise. Sit comfortably. Sit comfortably. If your feet are on the ground, आपके पैर अगर जमीन पे हैं, become aware of the floor underneath your feet. पैरों तले जमीन को महसूस कर लीजिए. Okay, feel your buttocks on the chair. चेयर पे अपनी तशरीफ को महसूस कीजिए. Relax your shoulders. It'll be nice if you can keep your eyes open. I'll tell you when you can close your eyes. For now, keep your eyes open. Become aware of your body. This physical body that we have, become aware of your body. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take another deep breath in and breathe out. Become aware of any part of your body where you feel good. आपको शरीर में जहां अच्छा लग रहा है ध्यान ले जाइए. It may be feeling warm, loose, happy. And see what does it feel like. कैसा लगता है आपके शरीर में जहां आपको अच्छा लग रहा है. Where you're feeling good, if you take your attention there, what does it feel like? Does it feel light? Does it feel fluid? Does it feel comfortable? Just become aware of the sensation. Very nice. Now think of something that makes you smile. जिससे भी आपके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट आ जाए, याद कर लीजिए. Blue skies, fluffy clouds, a little baby's smile, chole bhature, hot cup of coffee, anything that makes you smile. And see how this feels in the body. कैसा लगता है आपको? What does it feel? Does it feel warm, tingly? Can you give it a few words? Very nice. Take another deep breath in and breathe out of your mouth. Health is our nature. Health is an inherent aspect of our body. We are born with health. So just becoming aware of this natural state of your body. If you want, you can close your eyes now for about a minute. Take another deep breath in and breathe out of your mouth. we'll make the humming sound. Breathe in. Once again, breathe in. Feeling very grateful for having a body that is very, very intelligent. It knows how to take care of itself. I'm feeling very happy. Take another deep breath in and breathe out of your mouth. Slowly, you can start moving your fingers and toes. धीरे धीरे अपने हाथों और पैरों की उंगलियों को हिला सकते हैं. If you have closed your eyes, you can gently open your eyes, gently. And if you have your eyes open, you can smile. You can slowly let it go. Good. Feeling okay? So we covered 95% of the syllabus for head, neck and shoulders. We have 2 techniques. We will cover it tomorrow. So tomorrow you have to come. Tomorrow we will do middle 1/3 of the body. कल आना है आपको. ठीक है? Tomorrow we will do the middle 1/3. So chest, diaphragm, digestive organs, pelvis, all that we will work with tomorrow. So homework है. Wait, you have homework. Homework है सबको. So what you have to do is you have to notice how is your sleep. आज रात को आपकी नींद कैसी है. Second, how is your state of mind. And third, is there any change in your ability to work, in your energy levels? Are you able to accomplish more, or you're able to do the same with energy left? So just be very aware of your body. Okay? Drink water whenever you feel thirsty, stay hydrated. Notice your sleep, notice your energy levels, and notice the amount of work that you can do. Okay? We will revise these techniques tomorrow. Okay? And we will send out the ebooks by tonight. Aapko mil jayenge ebooks. All right? So no problem. Yeah. Ruby ji, yeah, don't worry. We just reach out to us. We'll take care of it. Don't worry about it. Cool. So shall we take a picture? Okay. Chalo. Switch on your cameras. Cool. So remember, we've all done this, no? So we'll take a nice picture. Okay. Okay. Smile. Shall we take one more picture? One more. Chalo. Smile. Fantastic. Good. So take care of yourselves. Be kind. Okay. ऐसा Superman नहीं बनना है. I'm feeling very good. I will clean the whole house. Don't do this. Okay. You're feeling good. Rest. Your body has done a lot of work. Okay. Spring cleaning, Diwali cleaning नहीं करेंगे. So rest well, eat well. We will meet tomorrow. We'll start sharp 5:30. Okay. Tomorrow is different syllabus. Okay. Tomorrow we're doing middle 1/3 of the body. So you have to come every day. Done. If you have any doubts, you can message me, or I'm going to. So for those who have to leave, you can go ahead. For those who have questions, I just raise your hand. I'll unmute you and I can answer your questions. And if you've had any experiences today, share it in the group. You are in a WhatsApp group. If you felt nice, you felt good, not so sure, just share it in the group. Okay, we move together. Cool. So does anybody, so we are done with the course for today. ठीक है. आज रात को कुछ टेक्निक नहीं करना है. नो होमवर्क. मतलब टेक्निक्स नहीं करना है. We have done 8 techniques, enough. You don't have to do any more. Okay, you rest. I will tell you how to do it tomorrow and day after. Okay? Yeah. So those of you who have to leave, you can go ahead. For those of you who have questions, stay back. I'll be here for another 5 minutes. Yeah. Hi, Sunny. Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Go ahead, please.
Namaste. I have a question that in the ebook, the techniques will have the ah sound and the humming sound. I mean, some techniques have ah sound and some techniques have humming sound.
Oh, that doesn't matter. It's up to you. As long as you make a sound, source voice, that is okay. Don't worry about it. Because it's just written that you have to make a sound. See, it's a home production. जब हमने ये workshop design किया ना तब lockdown था. तो शक्ल मेरी ही है. Ebook is full of me, okay? And the techniques, so the description is also very simple. You just have to make a sound. That's it, okay? So whatever you like. Tomorrow we'll do oo and e also. Today we didn't do. Tomorrow we'll do that also. Okay? Oh, cool. Ankita, go ahead. You can unmute yourself.
Hi, Spandan, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So I actually have a problem in this part, like on my right shoulder, just below the neck, diagonally over here. And
Okay.
so I'm not able to sleep on my right side, like, so that's a lot of problems. So sometimes it's okay, and then it again comes back. So that's the trouble I'm always having.
How
So
long have you had?
I don't know, it comes and goes, but it has been like past 3 years. Yeah, since 3 years now.
Okay. So we did the shoulders. Tomorrow we'll do 2 more for the shoulders and upper back. Notice if there is a change in the intensity, if the pain comes, but you probably will also have to strengthen it. But little bit of relief will definitely happen with these techniques. Pakka, for sure. So just notice if it's a recurring pattern, just see if there's a change in the intensity or posturally also if there is a change. And it will also be connected to the back. So tomorrow we will do the back. So you will also see. Yeah. Okay. All right. Yes, Venugopalanji, go ahead, sir. You can unmute yourself.
Is it these techniques can be used for good sleep, getting a nice sleep?
Yeah. Absolutely. Yes, that facial stroking is a big super hit with the software guys. And by the way, I had no idea. I came to know only yesterday. So screen time, lot of stress. Basically, all of these techniques also principally settle your nervous system. So they will all help you to sleep. We will also do one more technique tomorrow for the breath. Tomorrow we'll do the diaphragm. So I'll also take you through a technique for tomorrow or day after. Any of these techniques will help. Tonight, you don't need to do anything. Generally, you should get good sleep. Yeah, so you see how you feel.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Hi, Murli. Go ahead. Yeah, unmute yourself, please.
What is the natural position of a shoulder? Like many people like me who works in software, right? With the keyboard and mouse, the shoulder have come like this. Right?
Yeah.
So
basically,
I try to keep like this.
So basically, it's the chin has to come above your sternum. So there's a bone in your chest here in the center, the sternum. So the chin and the sternum have to be in the same line. So if you take a picture of yours from sideways, if the chin is ahead of the sternum, there is strain on the shoulders. Or if there is a hunch on the neck and the chin is behind. So as long as you do, so tomorrow we'll also do a technique for a muscle called trapezius. The way your shoulders are when you feel relaxed and you don't have any pain, that's a good posture to have. Okay, so with these techniques you will be able to go back to your normal posture, the ideal one. To hold it, you may need to strengthen it a little. That is where pranayam, meditation, yoga, all of it will come into place. But generally it's when you're looking straight, your chin and so if you drop a pen, so if you're sitting straight, this from the chin, it directly goes to the sternum, the bone of the chest. If it is going forwards, there is too much strain. If it is going inside, there is too much strain. That's all. Okay. So the moment you do this technique behind the neck and you do this, I don't know, he did it. automatically you will find that the posture has straightened out.
Change. Okay. Okay.
All right. Ma'am, just do these techniques on him 4 or 5 a day. Yeah, it'll help. It takes a while, but also saying this, that it is a spectrum. Parkinson's is a spectrum. It's not a specific thing. So if you're looking at rounding of shoulders, you can do these techniques for him. These will all help him. Add a little bit of yoga along with it, Sukshma yoga or some desktop yoga. It'll help. Yeah, you can also do some osteopathic amenities. Let's see. First, we will do these techniques so you see how he feels with this. Cool. Okay, any other questions? विजय जी, आपको देख के बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, बड़े दिनों के बाद. You know, we were together in a few workshops. I'm so surprised when old friends turn up. I'm like, yay, people who I know are coming. So nice. Okay, who wants to speak? Pallavi ji, yeah, 1 second. I'll just. Hanji, go ahead. You can unmute yourself, ma'am.
Actually, I have sneezing in the morning. So is it connected to sinus?
Could be. There is some allergen that is irritating your sinus lining. It should change. You do this. आज रात को सोने के पहले ये करके सोइएगा. Stroking the face, and when you get up in the morning, do your sinus technique. It should change. It's just there's just an irritant that is causing it. A lot of people actually found thoda sa change with these, especially when they had it for a long time. But also tomorrow we'll be working with the digestive system, the liver and all, no? So that will also help. Okay, all right.
And one more.
Ji.
Yeah, when we do this neck, right? This finger, we put some space in finger. So we should increase or we should come down and like this.
नहीं, तो आपने पहले जितना किया ना, you hold it there, and then the next
Okay.
breath in, breathe out, you create some more space. Hold it there. You don't have to do this. We are not doing this. So
Okay,
little.
okay. And here also.
Ha.
Okay.
Just that. Okay. Cool. Okay. You were talking about organ massage. Can you do massage for the brain? No, ma'am, we can work with the membranes around the brain, but I can't teach that. That's an osteopathy technique. Like when I teach my students in the university, I supervise them for 3 weeks. And when I teach CST to my students, I supervise them for 1 week. So these are very specific techniques. But we will also do something called the ear pull tomorrow. मैं आज भूल गई आपको सिखाना. So the ear pulling, temporals, all of these will also help. But actually massaging the brain, not really. What is more important is drainage has to happen properly in the brain. So जो भी toxins build up होते हैं ना, they are washed through and through overnight. That is why sleep is very important. So as long as the drainage is happening properly, it should be okay. I'll talk to you about it. Don't worry. Okay. Cool. So that's about it. Rest everybody doing. Mona ji, you're doing okay? Yes. Okay. All right. Snoring should change. Tomorrow we will do something for the chest. All of this will change. Okay. Cool. Okay. All right then. Dev Kumar ji, you're doing all right? You're doing good? Yes. Okay. Awesome. Okay, everyone. So I will see you tomorrow. We will. आज थोड़ा late हो गया. Tomorrow I will start. I will go live at 5:20. We will begin sharp 5:30. Tomorrow my husband will be joining me because we'll be doing techniques for the chest and all. I need to see that you're doing it right. So I will explain the technique, but you will do it with him. जब कर रहे हैं ना, तो आप उनके साथ करेंगे. So I will just make sure you're all doing it right. We have a little more techniques for tomorrow. Okay, so we will start sharp 5:30. We'll do a little revision and then. Okay, take care of yourselves, everybody. Have fun. Be kind. Bye-bye. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.